You will need half a cup of plain flour or maida, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of choco chips or chopped chocolate, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of cocoa, half a tablespoon of corn flour, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and few drops of vanilla essence. You will also need 2 cups of salt. This is normal regular salt for baking. So let us start making it. Take any big utensil such as idli cooker or pressure cooker and add in your salt. Now I am going to place a wire stand followed by a perforated plate. Now we are going to close this and preheat this. If you are using a pressure cooker, don't apply the whistle. If you are using a idli cooker, loosen the whistle. After closing this, preheat this in medium flame until we are getting ready with the batter. Into this mixing bowl, I am going to add in my plain flour or maida, followed by powdered sugar, cocoa powder, corn flour, baking soda, and choco chips. Now give this a gentle mix around. Now let's mix our wet ingredients. Into this bowl I am going to add in my milk, followed by vanilla, oil, and lemon juice. Now give this a mix. Now let's mix our dry and wet ingredients and make our cupcakes. Into the dry mix I am going to add in my wet ingredients. Now give this a mix around. This looks rich, creamy and luscious. So let us make our cupcakes. Now you need to use either these or these because a normal muffin tray or cupcake tray won't fit in our cooker. So I am going to place the silicone ones inside the aluminum ones. Now let's fill our cases. Now you might be thinking, why am I using two kinds of mold, because we can easily do it with one kind of mold. It is because the aluminum ones are sturdy enough to stay stable inside the cooker and the silicone ones are non-stick. So you can also grease the aluminum ones and use the single variety. So my silicone liners are filled. With some struggle you can easily make 6 cupcakes with this recipe. So now let's bake this inside our cooker. You can also bake this at 180 degrees centigrade in a preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes in an electric oven if you wish. So I'll be back after 15 minutes. So our cupcakes baked for about 15 minutes. Now we are going to wait until these cools down to room temperature. After that we are going to ice these with some white chocolate ganache. Our cupcakes are cold. Now let's pipe it with some white chocolate ganache. I have sprinkled little bit of grated dark chocolate.